Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to off-campus hiring from top companies CDEC, CGI, NCS, Wipro, Amazon, HCL Tech. It is a off-campus latest opportunity. 23, 24, 25, 26 and 27 batch is eligible. Apply for opportunity, and due to YouTube notification, Shell direct test hiring opportunity is not sent to so many candidates. Apply for opportunity. It is one of the good hiring and it is for 21 to 25 batch. Amazon announced the Hack On with Amazon Season 5. It is updated on 12th May. 2 to 4 members is the registration. You can check the eligible institute. Eligibility check, assessment, idea submission, prototype submission, mentorship and grand finale. If you are from 26, 27 batch, BTech, MTech, integrated dual degree, MCA, you can apply for opportunity. Okay. Next hiring is basically from CDEC India. They announced the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology work-based learning program. This is a fantastic opportunity to join a 6-month internship with 10,000 stipend. Multiple locations opportunities are there: Mumbai, Bangalore, Patna, okay, Trivandrum, New Delhi, okay, Northeast side. So the thing is Kolkata. You can check out this. Graduates and the current batches like 25, 24, 23, 22 can apply for opportunity. You can check everything. I am giving the direct link. HCL Tech announced the PGET hiring postgraduate engineer trainees 65% throughout in 10, 12 UG PG. It is one of the biggest opportunity. Chennai, Bangalore must be ready to relocate. 25 batch official PGET opportunity is announced. MTech, Mechanical, CSIT is eligible. When you click on form, this type of page will be open. You have to fill like this. Next hiring is HCL walk-in drive, direct walk-in drive on 17th May, 9:30 am to 3:30 pm. HCL Tech Chennai location. We are hiring for SAP functional consultant and technical consultant. Any UG PG graduate 24-25 batch, 3.25 to 4.25 LPA and 4 to 6 LPA. Direct walk-in drive for 24-25 batch. Okay. Next hiring is basically from NCS group. They are hiring for 2025 batch. BE, BTech, CSIT, ENTC stream can apply. Direct referral. Okay, next hiring is basically from CGI for apprentice, MBA, finance freshers. If you are from 23-24 graduates, you can apply finance related job, MBA related job. Next hiring is basically from Nagarro. Nagarro is hiring for talent acquisition analyst, IT recruiter, contractual role, 1 to 4 years of experience. Directly share your resume. Next hiring is basically from One Shot, okay, One Impression. They are hiring for SDE backend 0 to 2 years, 24 to 21 batch can easily apply for opportunity. Wipro announced the Superset hiring work integrated learning program BCA BSc for 24-25 batch. Superset opportunity is announced for FY26. Next hiring is basically from Ultra Human iOS hiring freshers. You can check, okay, directly apply for opportunity. Calix is hiring for graduate trainee role. It is posted yesterday. If you are from bachelor's degree in computer science information technology 24-25 batch, you can apply. Last hiring is basically from Workfall. Direct like remote India is the location for Java developer internship, and you can directly share your resume to this email ID. All hirings are very amazing and biggest opportunity. Thanks for watching the video.